Morning to all. So dear students, today I discuss our next topic, the types of organic reagent. So there are two types of organic reagent, nucleophile and electrophile. So first, today I discuss nucleophile. So nucleophile, a reagent that bring an electron pair. Nucleus is nucleus seeking and the reaction is then called nucleophile. It means if any types of substance have presents one lone pair, it is called nucleophile. And this word of nucleophile are made in nucleus and phile. So nucleus means, you know, that a central part of an atom, and philic means loving. That means a substance they love to nucleus. And we know that according to the charge of nucleus is positive. So if any types of substance they present negative charge, they loving to nucleus. So it is a rich electron donor, and also in case if any types of substance presents a lone pair, it's called nucleophiles. Okay. The next thing, the types of nucleophile. So there are three types of nucleophiles. Number one, negative. It means if any types of elements or molecules or compound have presents negative charge. For example, H power minus 1, OH minus 1 means hydroxyl or hydroxide, RO minus 1. So these types of elements or compound, it is example of nucleophiles. Second are called neutral nucleophiles. So neutral nucleophiles, it means suppose if any types of compound like that water, so according to the electrons, both types of member when exchange the ions or exchange the charge or exchange electrons, two numbers of electron donated by hydrogen and these two numbers of electron accepted by oxygen, so both are stable. That means it is a neutral. But in case we see the structure of this water or hydrogen oxide, two bonds are formed here, and we know that the 6 numbers of electron presents in outermost shell of oxygen, two numbers of electron are sharing and form bond pair, and 4 numbers of electron present in outermost part. That means two lone pair. So it is a neutral types of. Why? Because according to the definition, if any types of compound presents lone pair, it's also called nucleophile. And third and last, wait a minute. And third and last, ambident. So what is a ambident or a special types of nucleophile? because this is special types of nucleophiles or types of nucleophiles because it have presents two lone pair, that means two attacking site. When any types of compound have presents two attacking site, it is called ambident nucleophile. For example, cyanide C and N and isocyanide N and C. Both cases two attacking side, one side is carbon and one side is a nitrogen. So this is the definition and types of nucleophile. Next video we discuss electrophile. Okay, thank you.